Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. So, I know it's been a little while, but we are back. We're out at Walt Disney World. We're actually staying somewhere that we've never stayed before. We're staying in the Copper Creek Studio Deluxe Villa. This place is awesome and it's like its own separate entity. I'm gonna show you a full room tour, and then I think I'm also gonna do just a tour of this villa area in general. It's really cool. I had no idea that it was that extensive over here. So this is the room. So we are actually in room 1503. If you get this location, guys, this is a really good location. This door leads you straight out to the buses. It leads you straight out to the Geyser Point Bar and Grill. It leads you straight out to the pool area. It's really, really, really convenient. But let's go ahead and check out this room. So as soon as you walk in, you can just see it's a lot of nice wood farmhouse style doors. This is the little spare closet. You know, your standard Disney storage. I'm not gonna get too into it or be too crazy about that. So this is our little bathroom area, which we think is awesome. We really like it. And then next to it, we have here the actual bathroom. Let me find the light here. Hello. So this is our bathroom. It does have a smaller bathroom, but I'm all for more room, less bathroom, because you really don't spend much time in here. So that is the bathroom. But honestly, these big farmhouse doors are just too cool. I mean, they're awesome. I didn't expect to have this type of quality when we walked in here. And then another thing that I really like is the sink. I don't know why, but I just love how that sink flows. And I think that my mom and sister actually really loved it too. So I don't know. I think that that's a plus. But then over here we have our little kitchen area, which is amazing. So since this is technically a DVC resort, this is our little kitchenette that we have. So it is more DVC based. So they expect most people that stay here to be DVC members. But right now that's all that's open at the lodge. Oh wow, I just found the stuff. Hold on, let me see if there's a light in here. Yes. Okay, so in here we have, yeah, oh my gosh, yeah, forks, knives, spoons. I expect that normally it would probably be regular silverware, but pandemic, COVID, wine key, can openers, cloth in case you want to do some dishes or something. I don't know. I don't want to do dishes. And then just a bunch of storage here. And then under the sink, ooh, paper towels. This is the first time I'm finding this. Paper towels, mini trash can, which is nice. And then we have our sink area, which is equipped with an adorable little towel accoutrement here. And then we have, of course, our Ecos non-fixed thing, because I had to pour it out like oddly. But anyways, that's beside the point. We have our ice bin here, cups, coffee pot, nice little area for snacks, which I love, and then a microwave. I don't know about you guys, but anytime that we have a microwave in the room, it's like a big deal, because we don't like food to go to waste. So anytime that we have food, we're probably going to bring it back to the room and heat it up at some point. So this is a major win for us. Let's see. Paper plates, paper bowls, plastic cups. Let's see, I think this one was empty. And then we also have a toaster, which I think that's pretty cool. So that's great. So that's the little front entrance area. And then the only like picture that they have on the wall when you first come in. Cool little like butterfly nature photo. You have your big like chest dresser. So I actually went ahead and I loaded up my clothes in there. So that's how I'm putting my stuff. And then we have our little desk area. Desk, 2 chairs, TV. Which the thing that I really like about this TV is it's like the ones on Disney Cruise Line. You can kind of pull it out and adjust it. Oh god, oh no, okay, didn't. Anyways, you can adjust it, which I think is really cool. And then this little table and chair area actually pulls out into a bed, which I will show you guys. little farmhouse door, which this is just the adjoining room door. So if we did have an adjoining room, but we don't, there's only 3 of us. And then this is the little living space. So this is easily, I think, all of our favorite parts of the room. So this folds down. You click this in. Hope I can do this one-handed, but you guys, Bambi. It's amazing. So then as soon as you walk out of that little hallway with a little kitchenette in the bathroom, you come across the first bed. Well, actually, this is the only bed that's actually pulled out to begin with, and then you come into this little space, and this couch does pull out into a bed. I'm not going to pull it out right now, but it does pull out into a full-size bed. Your standard Disney phone, charger, drawer, etc. Of course, this wouldn't be as incredible if we didn't have this great patio, and we are on the first floor, which makes it kind of nice because we're so close to everything and we can get to everything so easily. I feel like I have to whisper because it's always just so quiet and calm here, but peaceful. This is the door that I was telling you guys about. So our room is like right there, and then this door is right here. Then you come out, and if you are going to the buses, that would be right over in this area for you. Very close. Pool, Geyser Point, everything else right around this corner. Super, super, super good location. Thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. If you like it, go ahead and click the like button, subscribe, and that way you can stay notified when we post a new video. Have a great day, guys.